Hello, today we will guide you through how to use CapCut Auto Cut features. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see your editing workspace and project options. If you already have media prepared, this process will be quick and easy to follow. Next, open a sample project. This gives you a working space where you can test the Auto Cut feature without affecting other edits. Using a sample project is helpful because it lets you understand how CapCut organizes clips and applies automatic scene detection in a simple visual way. Once the project is open, make sure you're in the main editing view where the timeline is visible. Now drag the sample video into the timeline. This is the area at the bottom of the editor where your footage appears as a clip you can work with. Placing the video in the timeline is important because CapCut's editing tools, including Auto Cut and scene splitting options, work directly on clips that have already been added there. Take a second to confirm that the full clip is properly placed before moving on. After that, right-click on the sample video in the timeline. Be sure to click directly on the clip itself, not on an empty part of the timeline, so the correct menu appears. Right-clicking opens a list of actions you can apply to that video. This menu is where CapCut gives you access to several editing shortcuts, including the tool used to automatically break a clip into separate parts. From that menu, click on Split Scenes. This is the feature that helps CapCut automatically detect changes in the video and divide it into smaller sections. It can save time compared to manually trimming or cutting scene by scene, especially when you're working with longer footage or clips that contain several camera changes. Once selected, CapCut will begin analyzing the video and preparing those cuts for you. After the scenes are split, you'll be able to review the results in the timeline and continue editing from there. This is a great way to speed up your workflow and make rough cuts much faster. If needed, you can always fine-tune the results afterward by adjusting the separated clips manually. That's all it takes to use CapCut's Auto Cut feature through scene splitting. With just a few clicks, you can turn one long clip into multiple editable sections and make your editing process much more efficient.